Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty by Tellie. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications every time I publish new videos. So I just got home from the Vice X Bang lipstick collection launch. Actually, I'm sorry if my voice sounds kind of weird today. I'm really sick. I'm trying to schedule my sickness to a day when I'm not so busy. So the Vice X Bang lipstick collection, we all know who Vice Ganda is. He is the #1 unkabogable host and also movie star. So when he was starting to make a name for himself in Showtime, I saw some of his older live stand-up shows and I think he was really witty. Now he's made an empire completely out of his sense of humor and I really admire that. I love people who can just like go and run with their talents. Now he has this cosmetics line and he started with a few lip kits. Now he's expanding with a collaboration with Bang Pineda. Bang is a designer that he met while hosting ASAP and they really got along. Vice insisted on his first collab to be with Bang because he really likes Bang's style. It's really like edgy. So we're going to see how that plays out with this lipstick collection. So this is the press kit that I got to take home from the event and I'm just so happy that even though I've moved on to videos, I can still do unboxings which I really enjoyed over on my old blog. Okay, this is my first time to open the box and you can see there's like an information sheet. So basically you have 4 lip kits. They come in pairs. You have a liquid matte lippy base and you have a glittery glossy topper. So these liquid lipsticks are $3.95 per pair. So you already get 2 products. You can buy them from Vice stores, Watsons, and SM department stores. This is the Saveeeh base, but I think it's topped with Rrrrahmpa or Fashown. I'm not sure. I've already worn it through dinner and 2 iced teas. And I think it's still really looking good. There's like a little bit of, like sticker action going on. You only need to apply a thin layer and it doesn't really feel like you're putting on a really thick layer of something on your lips. Actually, I really like the idea of lip kits that have a matte liquid lippy and a glossy topper. I just think that mattes are a little bit on the way out. They're not that trendy anymore. So I think by including the glittery gloss toppers, I think it just revives the whole idea and the concept of it. Ganda tip on the box is you can actually mix and match the bases and the toppers. But for this video, I'm just going to show you guys what each pair looks like. So I'm starting with Saveeeh. The box has a window. You have the shade name on the top. Saveeeh has kind of a pinkish nude matte base and the glossy topper is kind of like a millennial rose gold pink. This was my favorite among the 4 that I swatched in the event. So the formula is really thin. I guess that's part of what makes it feel super lightweight, but also it makes me want to spread some of the excess product on the base of the container because this is already too much. So it has a little bit of a scent, kind of chemically. It doesn't really bother me because it fades really fast, but as you're applying it and while the lipstick is wet, you can really smell that. About the thinness of the product, it feels like absolutely nothing as of now. I'm really impressed by that because I don't really expect this kind of comfort level from a $349 lip kit containing 2 products. I'm just waiting for it to dry a bit before I go over with the same Saveeeh glitter topper shade. So the makeup artist said that the way to apply the glitter topper is to sort of dab it on because swiping it side to side pull the glitter off to one side. When you apply it really thickly, it kind of gives a chrome metallic feel, but I sort of like only having a thin layer of it around. So I think I'll show you guys a thick layer of glitter topper on my bottom lip and a thinner layer on my upper lip. I don't know if it's the doe foot applicator or just like the formula itself, but I really like how you can get full use in just one dip because I don't like double dipping even my own liquid lipstick. Here that you can apply just the matte shade for maybe day wear, and if you want to be like more kabogable or bongga in the night, you can wear the glitter topper. Mowdel. It's only just a little bit more orange than the pinkier Saveeeh. The glitter shade is a cooler pink. It's kind of like more Barbie. Really feels like nothing. While that's drying, let's have a chat. Actually, I really like the matte liquid lip formulas. I don't know if it's the same with the first release because I never actually got to try the first few Vice Ganda lipsticks. But if you've tried the earlier Vice Ganda lipsticks, let me know in the comment section how they are so we can kind of like compare. Okay, this is dry. I'm gonna go with a topper. Again, I'm gonna go with a thick layer of the glitter topper on the bottom lip and a thinner one on the upper lip. Again, I really love the idea of layering glitter over a matte lipstick. That's what I do with my eyes nowadays, and I think like it's so trendy. So now like my eyes match my lips. So that's Mowdel on my lip. Whereas I liked Saveeeh alone or with a topper. I'm not a big fan of how the two colors sort of interact with each other, but that's what it looks like and you can judge for yourself if you like it or not. One thing I'm noticing is that these tubes are pretty big. They are 3 ml each, and I think 350 pesos is just the price of one cheap lip product. So I can't take off any more glitter from my lips, like it's just stuck there. So I'm sorry, we're gonna have to go on to the next swatch like this. So next one is Rrrrahmpa. I already took it out of the box, sorry. The matte shade is sort of mauvey plum, I guess. And the topper is like a unicorn frosty white. I really like this one. It reminds me of Elana's Loose Mineral Pigment in Halo, and that's one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing with this darker Rrrrahmpa shade is that it's a little bit harder to perfect. For some reason, it's streakier. That's really weird for me because normally it's the nude shades that are trickier to work with, but this time it's the darker shade that sort of leaves like uneven streaks. It's really leaving streaks on my lips, so I'm gonna go in with the second layer. Okay, so that went well. I think I just really needed a thicker layer for this darker shade. I guess the downside of that is right now it feels tight. The first two shades did not feel tight at all. One of the things that Vice brought up in the launch is that he really wanted to price this super low as his like mission statement kind of for Vice Cosmetics is ganda for all. So it's something that anyone can afford. I think 350 pesos for two 3 ml products is like really affordable. This doesn't really look like 350 pesos. It looks like it should be more expensive. It looks like it could be about 500 pesos. So I like how he's giving you this price point. I think it's like really accessible and I think it's worth a try. Okay, that took exponentially longer to dry. With one layer, it dries in about 10-20 seconds. And this one took much longer. This is my favorite topper shade from Rrrrahmpa. I'm gonna do it differently this time. I think another interesting way to wear these lip kits is to gradient them. So I'm going to apply the glitter topper at the center of my lips and then I'm just going to blend that out. Wait, what the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, the stopper just fell inside the tube. Oh my gosh. Okay, like, I don't know. I don't think that's such a bad thing, but now I can't, like, control the amount of product. I wasn't looking at the product when I was closing it, so I don't know how it got pushed in. Whatever. Okay, let's just go on. I don't think I can close it because the stopper is... Okay, I closed it. Never mind. I really like the Rrrrahmpa shade. The matte base alone, it really looks like stunning. It's like a showstopper. The glitter topper, it doesn't look like much, but together, they create this really interesting like bluish frost. I think this is like really versatile compared to the other two shades that I've already tried on. Like the matte base alone, the glitter topper alone, together combined, I think they all look really different. So I think if you're trying to stretch your money for a bit more, I would recommend you get the Rrrrahmpa shade. And so the last shade is Fashown. Basically among the collection, you have two kind of nude matte base shades and two kind of like deeper plummier base matte shades. So whereas Rrrrahmpa is a little bit more mauvey and plummy, this Fashown is a little bit more plummy but still kind of red. This is what they look like next to each other. And then the glitter topper is this pale lilac. I think the glitter toppers of these darker shades are more highlight friendly. They're paler colors, easier to wear as highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Fashown. My lips feel raw already. I think this went on much easier than the Rrrrahmpa one. I don't know if I just learned to put it on better, but it's faster. I don't know why. So that's dry. That feels tighter. I think as I put like a thicker layer on. Good news is that when I stretch my lips into a smile, it doesn't really crack. Some liquid lipsticks do that, not all, but this one doesn't, so I'm happy about that. I guess I'm also gonna gradient it just to be consistent. Like applying a totally different color of glitter over dark lipstick, I think is a really good idea. I wonder if that's Bang's input. Okay, so I've gradiented the topper over it. I really like this as well. I think if you want something more versatile in terms of the looks and like the overall drama, you should definitely get the darker shades, Fashown and Rrrrahmpa. But if you want something like more wearable in general, the nude shades are the way to go. Final thoughts, for 350 pesos, I think that these are really, really affordable and the quality is really nice. The matte liquid lippies, they do feel like really thin. They're not as drying or like really thick and caked on like other affordable matte liquid lippies. My only complaint is that the container, the stoppers, they do tend to come loose quite easily. Otherwise, I think that both products, the matte liquid lipstick base and the glitter topper, I think they're really, really, really worth it for 350 pesos. Like, if you're still a fan of mattes, that's great. But if you're kind of getting bored and sick of mattes, I think the glitter toppers give such a fresh take on it. So is it worth buying? I don't know, it's up to you, but I shared my thoughts and opinions. Let me know what you guys think. Are you getting the Vice X Bang liquid lipstick collections? Do share in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications whenever I publish new videos. See you next time. Bye! Oh, I'm so sick. I can't wait to lie down.